Hey everyone, today we are going to see OpenAI special announcements and let's go. So these days in the December, OpenAI has announced the 12 days of OpenAI. They are going to launch the 12 announcements in 12 days. So let's see. First is the O1 and ChatGPT Pro. That is going to be amazing, guys. You can see here the $200 per month subscription. This is one of the biggest subscription I have ever seen. So you can see there are the plus features, then O1 feature is there, then unlimited access to the voice mode, the advanced voice mode is there, then the Sora video generation. So we'll be seeing all these features that why it is too much costly, and you will write in the comment that is it worth it to take the $200 subscription per month. So it's 16,000 in the Indian rupee. You can see the plan of the OpenAI there is a free tier, then plus tier, then pro. So this is how much this is 10x of the previous premium plan. So what do you think? Do you think that it is worth it? And this is the one model. You can see here how it is amazing. So ChatGPT 4.0 what we are using right now. So this is we are using ChatGPT 4.0, and and how you can see it's the only 13.4 at the scale of 100, but with the accuracy O1 is 83.3. So that is a huge gap, and you can see in the competition code it is also the huge gap. It's like 8 times gap. And at the PhD level questions, this is quite interesting. You can see at the expert human is only 69.7%, but the O1 is 78%. So that is mind blowing, guys. And this is definitely going to impact a lot of jobs as AI is already impacting the jobs. So next is day two. Day two is OpenAI reinforcement fine tuning research program. This is also good because they are going to give the access to the reinforcement program, and with the very few examples you can fine tune the models. So this is more for the university, enterprise, and the research institutes. Next, this is Sora. This is one of the amazing announcement, guys, because Sora is a video generation platform launched by the OpenAI. You can see how amazing the videos are. It is quite realistic, and it is more realistic than ever. Uh, so that's what ChatGPT or OpenAI is setting a bar, that okay, this type of thing we are building, and this is one of the biggest company. Okay, so Sora is amazing, but the account creation is currently unavailable. You can see because of the high traffic. So you'll be getting access maybe in 2 3 weeks. We'll see. So fourth is the most amazing and most important thing for us because we can use that. Okay, so we are just going to use what is canvas, and let's see. So we are in the chat GPT. Here is the box you can see. You can see here, just click on the canvas and just write a letter to my past, Aditya. Okay, let's see. It is going to write a letter to my past. Okay, and we are going to see a lot of features in it. Okay, just wait for it. How it is, how amazingly it is writing. Now you can just add emojis. You can add emojis in the sections. So let's see. You can see at the every section, it is adding the emojis so that it will be not cluttered. You can just add in the words in the sections. I hope you are seeing it. Oh, okay. So I need to. Okay, guys. So now you can see. Like you can also add the final polish to it. Okay. Then this is the reading level. Reading level, you can change the reading level to the college, and you can set the bar. Then you can adjust the length. Maybe I can put the shorter length, and it is going to make it very shorter. Okay. Then there is more amazing things. I just want to interrupt it here and just go to the direct to the chat. Yeah. So I'm just going to give it a code. Import numpy, import matplotlib dot pyplot as SPLT. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell it that please take a table and make a bar chart, and it is going to do it, guys. Even you can if you can see here, you can run the code as well. You can run the code. Yeah, first I'm just going to say it, show me in the canvas. Okay, so it is going to show me in the canvas. It is writing the code in an amazing way, guys. Yeah, and you can actually run this. Okay, so it is installing packages, it is running code, so you can try it out. So this is a similar feature like the Anthropic has, the Claude has uh, artifacts, I think. Okay, so you can save the image, you can copy it and save the images. So that is how amazing it is, and you can use it. Guys, go and try this, and if you like this, then please like the video and subscribe the channel, share it to the people who find it very interesting and productive.